We have now question number 5. Given sine theta, this sine is called theta, Greek language, is equal to 13 upon 12, and calculate the other trigonometric ratios. All that we have seen, the 6 ratios are there: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. We are asked to find out all. We are given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. And what's the meaning of sec theta? Is same as 1 upon cos theta, or the reverse of cos theta, opposite of cos theta, and therefore we have hypotenuse upon side adjacent to cos theta. What do you mean by theta? Any angle, but a fixed angle. So we are now fixing, we can say angle A. What we are given here, angle A. So we have 13 upon 12, hypotenuse is 13 and the side adjacent is 12. Now we are to find out this, what is the side opposite. So we say again, once again, according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse squared is equal to side A squared plus side B squared. Hypotenuse squared is equal to side A 1 squared side plus side 2 squared. So this is already hypotenuse we are given 13 squared is equal to side 1 12 squared, and BC not given, BC remains. 13 squared is equal to 169. Now we are transferring here so that we get BC alone. So minus 12 squared is equal to minus 144 is equal to BC squared, unknown number. Therefore, BC squared is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. So we say BC is equal to square root 25, that is 25. So here, 5. BC is equal to 5. We have that. So that now that we have all the lines, we say, what is the question? All the trigonometric ratios. First one is sine theta. We are given theta and therefore we use the word theta, but then the angle is A. Sine theta. Please remember, side opposite upon hypotenuse, 5 upon 13. Next, cos theta. Side adjacent upon hypotenuse, side adjacent 12 upon 13. Tan theta, side opposite upon side adjacent. Side opposite 5, side adjacent 12. Cosec, we have the next one is cosec, and cosec is just the opposite of sine theta, and therefore we have here 1 upon sine theta, just the opposite. We have BC upon AC, AC upon BC, 13 upon 5, just the opposite. And the next one, cot. Cot is the opposite of tan. Cot is the opposite of tan, and what is tan? BC upon AB, opposite AB upon BC is equal to 5 upon 12 is equal to 12 upon 5. Whatever you look at it, the formula is there. So once again I am reminding you, please study by heart, be sure of those 6 trigonometric ratios: sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. We now have question number 6 of exercise 8.1. Little different. Angle A, angle C are acute angles such that cos A and is equal to cos B. Show that angle A is equal to angle B. Now the moment you say cos A and you say cos B, immediately you understand this is acute. This is also acute. Okay. And, here supposed to be angle B. Okay, angle A and angle B. So now we know right angle is C because both are acute angles. Therefore, acute first, other acute, and then here we have got angle C. Before you draw, just understand. Finally, we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C, and therefore when you draw, you have to make sure angle A is equal to angle C. Both are equal, because that is what we are given. Now we find out what are we given. Cos A is equal to cos B. What's the meaning of cos A? Side adjacent upon hypotenuse. Side adjacent is equal to, this is cos A, and therefore adjacent is AC and hypotenuse AB. AC upon AB. Cos B again. Cos B is same as hypotenuse, side adjacent to angle. I don't name the angle. Hypotenuse, side adjacent. Cos B adjacent is AC. Hypotenuse. Adjacent is CB. Wait 1 second. We have a question number 7. If cot theta is 7 upon 8, evaluate first one, and then we have the second one. 2. As usual, we draw the triangle. And it is given to us. What is the meaning of cot theta? Theta, as I said before, any angle. Normally the first angle is equal to 7 upon 8. And what is cot? Cot is equal to ulta of tan, and therefore AB upon BC. So AB 7, AB is equal to 7 and BC is equal to 8. Then as usual, we begin Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is equal to hypotenuse squared, side 1 squared plus side 2 squared. That is same as AC squared is equal to side 1, side 2. And what is AB? 7. What is BC? 8. So is equal to 113. That is AC squared is equal to 113. Therefore, AC is equal to square root 113. So we have got now AC. From there, we now therefore conclude question number 1. 1 plus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta into upon 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus sine theta. Okay. Now, how do we understand this? We know that 1 plus, so 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into minus sine theta minus sine. 1 into sine theta plus sine theta. Sine theta is equal to sine squared theta. Two brackets being multiplied. Similarly, 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus cos. Plus cos into 1, plus cos. Cos into cos squared. Now, this is plus and this is minus, and therefore what do we have? 1 minus sine squared. Here also plus, minus, and therefore 1 minus cos. So that is there. Now we continue. Earlier we have learned, not from here, sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. This you must understand, not understand, you must accept and memorize like a formula. Cos sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is equal to 1. Therefore, this one is equal to 1 minus sine. So sine plus cos is equal to, therefore 1 minus sine is equal to cos. And then again 1 minus cos. 1 minus cos is equal to sine. This is commuted. Please understand, commutate this one from here. From here. That is based on this. This is a formula. What is therefore cos theta? AB upon AC squared, and sine theta BC upon AC whole squared. From there we continue. Look at that. AB 7. AC square root 130 divided by, this means divided by, and therefore divided by 8 upon 130. Now, when you divide two fractions, you cross multiply, opposite. This becomes ulta, up and down. Therefore, 49, and now what happens? These two, they cut each other, and we have 49 and 64. 49 upon 64, the first answer, the first part. The first one and the answer. We have the second one. What is the second one? Cot squared theta. Second one, cot squared theta is equal to cot is same as cos squared upon sin squared. And therefore we have again, what is this one? Cos squared and sin squared already done, and that is 14.64. Therefore both are the same. How do you get this? Because cot we know is exactly these two. That is, please remain. This formula also is good for you to study by heart. Question number 8. 3 cot is equal to 4. Check whether there is an equation. Is it correct or not? Equation is correct or not? Now we are given 3 cot is equal to 4. 3 cot A is equal to 4. So divide this here 3 and therefore it will become, because if you want to remove this one here 3 and therefore here also 3 and therefore we have, that's how you get 4 upon 3. And then, and what is cot? Cot is equal to reverse of tan. Cot is equal to opposite of tan, AB upon BC. So AB is equal to 4 and BC is equal to, now Pythagoras theorem once again. Please remember all of this, we need to understand Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse, square, first side, second side. We are now given the value. Therefore, here. So AC squared is 25. AC therefore square root of 25 is 25. So we are now getting the third side, hypotenuse. And therefore the first, let us take the second left side of the equation. 1 minus tan A, 1 plus tan A. 1 minus tan A, exactly tan A, we have here AC BC upon AB. Again here is minus and here is plus. Here is tan A squared. Sorry, here tan A squared. Look at this. 1 minus, here is 9 upon 16. 9 upon 16. Now here this is same as 1 upon 1. Therefore LCM 16. 1 divided by 16, 1, and therefore 1 into 16, 16. Fraction. One is whole number, other one is fraction. Similarly also here, this is same as 1 upon 1, and therefore LCM 16, and we have this number. 16 minus 9, 7. 7 upon 16, 16 plus 9, 25. 25 upon 16. This fraction divided by this fraction, that is cross multiplication. When you cross multiply, what happens? These two cancel each other and we have the answer 7 upon 25. The first part, left hand side. Look at the right hand side. Cos squared A minus sin squared A. Again we have one. Cos squared A is equal to 4 upon 5 whole squared minus sin squared A 3 upon 5, it is 4 into 4, 16, 5 into 5, 25. Minus 3 into 3, 9, 5 into 5, 25. Here again we have two fractions, LCM 25, 16 minus 9, 7 upon 25, that's the second one, right hand side. What do we notice now? Left hand side is equal to 7.25, right hand side is equal to 7.25, therefore, what is given there? We say it is correct. Both left hand is equal to right hand. So the question has been answered.